Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dea Novita. My FPM 2301020016. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang conditional sentences and subjunctive. A definition of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a type of sentence that states a condition and the outcome of that condition occurring. Conditional sentences are made up of a dependent clause and an independent clause. A conditional sentences contains an independent clause and a dependent clause that almost always begin with if. Examples of conditional sentences: 1. If I save enough, I can go on vacation. The dependent clause is if I save enough. 2. You can have dessert if you finish your homework. The dependent clause is if you finish your homework. Types of conditional sentences. There are few different kinds of conditional sentences. In English, they are: A. Zero conditional. Examples of zero conditional: if it rains, things get wet. 2. If you stare at the sun, your eyes damage. B. First conditional. Example of first conditional: 1. If it rains, I will not play outside. 2. If I am out to lunch, Maria will answer call. C. Second conditional. Example of second conditional: 1. If I know the answer, I will tell you. 2. If I were you, I will not leave tonight. D. Third conditional. Example of the conditional: B. Subjunctive. One definition of a subjunctive. The subjunctive is a verb from in English that is relatively rare but is crucially very simple. 2. Using the subjunctive. The subjunctive is generally used when talking about something that may or may not happen. It called be something that the speaker wants, hopes for, expects, or imagines. 3. Form of the subjunctive. The verbs that are commonly used before subjunctive are advise, ask, beg, decide, decree, desire. For how to use subjunctive, another pattern exists as well, in which that is preceded by an expression rather than the verb. Sekian yang dapat saya jelaskan. Lebih kurangnya saya mohon maaf. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.